The future of work, humans versus machines. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Hey there, my fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, where we dive deep into all things cutting edge. Today, we are touching on a topic that has been buzzing around for quite some time now. We're going to explore the impact of artificial intelligence and automation on the job market. Will these advancements ultimately replace us humans in the workforce? Get ready to find out. Artificial intelligence has come a long way, my friends. We now have machines that can perform complex tasks, learn from data, and even mimic human behavior. It's no wonder that people are raising concerns about their jobs. But here's the thing, AI isn't necessarily our enemy. In fact, it could be the fuel for our future success. As technology advances, the job market evolves alongside it. Think about it, centuries ago, most people worked in agriculture. But as machines took over manual labor, new job sectors emerged. Industries like information technology, healthcare, and creative arts created fresh opportunities for individuals to showcase their unique skills. Instead of replacing humans, AI has the potential to collaborate with us. Picture a scenario where a machine takes care of repetitive tasks and data analysis, allowing humans to focus on creative problem-solving and decision-making. By working together, humans and AI can unleash a new era of innovation and productivity. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the fear of job loss. It's natural to feel concerned, but history has shown us that with every technological advancement, new skill requirements arise. Embracing lifelong learning and adapting to changing environments will be crucial. Let's be proactive and upskill ourselves to stay relevant in this fast-paced world. Believe it or not, advancements in AI and automation can actually create more job opportunities. Just think about the need for experts to develop and maintain these technologies. Additionally, as certain tasks become automated, job roles can evolve to focus on higher-level responsibilities. It's all about finding our niche and adapting to the changing landscape. Here's something AI will always struggle to replicate: the human touch. Empathy, emotional intelligence, and creativity are unique qualities that make us invaluable in certain roles. So, while machines can perform tasks efficiently, they can't replace the genuine connection that we, as humans, bring to the table. In conclusion, the rise of AI and automation should be seen as an opportunity rather than a threat. It's up to us to embrace the changes and carve our own paths in this ever-evolving world. By adapting, upskilling, and leveraging our unique human qualities, we can thrive alongside machines and create a brighter future together. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.